Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. No matter whether you use Motorex, Bel-Ray, or Lucas Oil in your engine, keeping it fresh is the most important part. Kind of like my air filter, I make sure to change my engine oil and filter every ride.
When you put the oil in, make sure to get your used oil completely drained and then put the exact amount back in that it says in your owner's manual. It's also easy to make a mistake installing your oil filter, so make sure to pay attention and get the parts back in exactly the way they came out.
You can grab everything you need, from oils to filters, both stainless and paper, as well as oil drain pans at MotoSport.com.